Puja of our beloved Gurudev, Om Ishtapat Paramahansa Swami Bhaktivedanta Narayana Maharaj. So this auspicious day, all disciples should glorify the Gurudev as the representative of all the Guru Parampara. So all our senior God brothers, disciples, they are glorified so many ways, quoting so many scriptures. So I will offer my Pushpanjali in very simple words. The Gurudev is not from this world. He is Paramahansa, beyond this material world. His vision also Paramahansa, is Mahabhagavat. So Param Gurudev Nitya Prashna Vishnupat Bhakti Pragyan Kesava Maharaj, in one of his article to Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur, he tells how the Guru's vision for his disciple. Disciple sometimes becomes very, very proud. His pride is like a mountain. But Guru is Paramahansa, he always sees Stavara Jangama Deke Nadeke Tara Murti Sarvatra Hayatara Ishtadeva Smriti. He always sees his beloved Lord, Sri Radha and Krishna everywhere. Never sees any material thing. If disciple become very, very proud, his pride like mountain. But Guru sees as Govardhan, not sees an ordinary mountain. Even the disciple has so much unearths, like a river, drain of all these filthy things. But Guru sees like calling the river. So Guru's vision is not ordinary. It's very, very high class. We cannot understand the vision of Guru. Even little seva we do, Guru encourages us so much. Always inspires us and try to bring us by hook or crook to his lotus feet, engage us in the service so that one day we can attain the rarely Krishna Prem. So this is Gurudev, is very, very high position. So we are so very, very fortunate. So we got such a Guru and his mercy, personally give his showering mercy. We should pray on this auspicious day so that he will shower his mercy on us. One day we can be able to serve him properly and understand his mood. Otherwise we will be cheated. So on Agyan Timirandasya Gyanam Jana Sralaka Chakshurumritam Dena Tasmai Sri Gurudeva. This is one of the auspicious invocation prayed by our Narottam Das Thakur, previous Acharya. Agyana Timirandasya Gyanam Jana Sralaka. Guru destroys the darkness of ignorance from the heart of disciple. Agyan. What is Agyan? Agyana kamara nama kahiye kaitava dharma artha mukhya vancha adisava. The desire to enjoy the world, to earn pious activities, temporary pious result, and collecting money or any profitable work, and fulfilling material desires. These are all ignorance in this world. So Guru destroys all this ignorance, especially the desire for liberation. We always want comfort. We want always some comfort. How to get liberation from this suffering? How to get liberation from this anxiety of this world? This is all desire for liberation. Tar madhye moksha vancha kaitava pradhan. Jahan te Krishna bhakti hoy antardhyan. So this is the Kaitava Dharma, greatest cheating. If for that, by that, all the Krishna Bhakti will be destroyed forever. So Guru what does? Agyana Timirandasya Gyanam Jana Sralakaya. By giving the transcendental knowledge, he dispels the darkness of ignorance from the heart of disciple. So Guru is like the manifestation of, like we heard, Vyasa. The Vyasa, what he did, so many explanations from Sri Gurudev, which is incarnation of Krishna, who manifested Krishna in the form of Vedic literature in this world. So without Guru, nobody can manifest Krishna, Tattva in the heart of disciple. This is the work of, function of Gurudev. We know in Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishna Kaviraj Goswami describing, as our previous speakers explained, Guru Krishna Rupan Shastra Pramane. Guru Rupi Krishna Kripa Karen Bhakta Gane. So Guru, Krishna has given all the responsibility to Srila Gurudev to shower mercy on us. If a living Gurudev will try to get mercy from somewhere else, it is not possible. Only through Gurudev we can get all the mercy of Krishna. Gurudev is Krishna Kripa Srimurti, the embodiment of all the mercy potency of Krishna. Krishna's mercy potency takes a form, that is Srila Gurudev. And he also Chaitanya Prakash. Jadyapi Amar Guru Chaitanya Das Tathapi Jani Amit Tahar Prakash. The Gurudev is not ordinary, though he tells that we are servant of Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya, Radha and Krishna. But it is the expansion of also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami explaining while in the invocation sloka, Anarpita Charinchirat is explaining Hare Purata Sundara Diti Kadamba Sandipita Sada Hridaya Kandara Spratuva Sachinandan. He is praying Lord Chaitanya, Sachinandan be manifest in the heart as Hari. He is giving some explanation meaning of Hari. One explanation is giving Hari means the lion. When lion comes to a secluded cave in the forest, there are many dangerous creatures living. Snakes, tigers, bears, so many dangerous animals residing in a cave. If lion approaches there, by hearing the roaring of lion, even elephant, all the animals they go away, at once run away. Similarly, if we praying, the Guru will be manifest in our heart, then all the unearths, dangerous animals, all will go away. Like another explains meaning is given that Hari, we can steal away our all type of unearths. Guru can do all the sinful. Divya Jnanam Jato Dadya Kurjat Papas Sankhya. All the unearths, everything impious things, all will Guru will steal away. What to speak of Guru, they will steal away. Even we see Narayana Das Thakur is praying that Jahar Nikata Gele Papa Dure Ja. Even by approaching nearby Guru, such a great Vaishnava, dear devotee of Krishna, all the sinful reactions, all the sin itself goes away and automatically purified. By seeing Vidarshan, Darshan Pavitra Kara Etu Margo. This quality is so great, even by Darshan, by having Darshan of Gurudev, all the unearths, all the sinful actions, everything, all the impurities goes away from the heart. Another meaning of Hari is given that who can steal away our mind and heart by giving love. Who did this? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did this. And Guru is not different from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is the Prakash of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He manifests from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He can give Krishna giving his love, pure affection, giving our heart and mind, everything is takes away. If you see this, anybody came in contact with Gurudev, his mind and heart completely stolen by Gurudev. This is only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can do it, and his Gaur Priyajan, very dear associate can do it. Nobody else can do this. This is giving pure love. This is function of Hari. Sakhyat Haritena Samasta Sastri Uktas Tata Bhavyata Eva Sadhi. That's why Vishnu Thakur in his famous Gurvastakam is explaining Sakhyat Hari. He is Hari himself, because he does the function of Hari. Is very dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very dear to Krishna. So there is Narayana Das Thakur also explaining his famous Guru Mahima, Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma. That the Guru Charana Padma, the lotus feet of Gurudev, is the only shelter of Kevala Bhakti. Kevala Bhakti means the pure devotion, which is explained one day before. That's Annabhyasta Sunyam Jnana Karmadya Anabrata. There are many types of devotion, but Kevala Bhakti is very rare to achieve. Rarely available only at the feet of Srila Gurudev. And Prema Bhakti Jaha Hite Avidya Vinas Jate. Sri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janer Bandhu. The Gurudev is the ocean of mercy, and the Adhama Janer Bandhu is the friend of very fallen souls. Why? Because even Gurudev is giving mercy, we have no place to keep. But Gurudev even prepares that pot, prepares our heart and give the mercy. To very fallen soul, their only shelter is the Gurudev. Without Gurudev, there is no chance we can get Krishna Bhakti in this life. So Gaur Premanande. One shot of praise.